Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a Shopify theme. Alright, let's begin. First, from your Shopify homepage, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Online Store. This will take you to the Themes page, where you can manage your store's design. On the Themes page, you'll see your active theme displayed. Next to the Customize button, click on the three dots icon, also known as the More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Download Theme File. This option lets you save a copy of your current theme to your computer. Shopify will then prompt you to send the theme file to the email address associated with your account. Click Send Email to confirm. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from Shopify. Inside, you'll find a link to download your theme file. You can keep this as a backup or use it to upload the theme to another Shopify account if needed. So that's basically how you can copy a Shopify theme. That's it for this video. Thanks.